NEC 250.70 says, ground clamps shall be listed for the materials of the grounding electrode. The problem is most acorn clamps are not listed for every type of ground rod. Most are listed for copper-coated rods only. If one of these clamps is installed on a rod for which it's not listed, the grounding does not meet code. Galvan has the solution. US-made Galvan G-5 and SRC ground clamps are UL listed for copper-coated, galvanized, and stainless steel ground rods. They are also listed for rebar. How do you know? Because it's stamped right in the casting. Galvan has the clamps that keep copper-coated, galvanized, and stainless steel ground rod installations and UFER grounds code compliant, and there is no cost difference. That makes them easy to sell. Mr. Contractor, I can sell you a clamp that's UL listed for copper-coated, galvanized, and stainless steel ground rods and rebar for the same cost as that other clamp that's only listed for copper-coated rods. Plus, they're 100% made in the USA. Galvan is a veteran-owned company. If you need acorn clamps that are code compliant for copper-coated, galvanized, and stainless steel ground rods, plus rebar, contact Galvan or your Galvan representative today.